Processing payroll for agricultural employees can oftentimes be complicated. For example, how do you know what overtime rate to pay an employee if they were paid two different rates during the week by the same employer? Let's say an employee did 32 hours of weed spraying at $18 an hour, but he also did 11 hours of pruning at $17 an hour. How do you know what he should be paid for the 3 hours of overtime? In this situation, the overtime premium rate is based on the regular rate of pay. According to federal law, if an employee works different jobs with different pay rates in the same week, their regular rate of pay is the weighted average of those rates. The weighted average is calculated by taking the employee's total earnings for the week and dividing that by the total hours worked at all jobs for the week. Now let's do the math. 32 hours at $18 an hour is $576. 11 hours at $17 an hour is $187. The employee's total regular earnings for the week are $763. $763 divided by 43 total hours worked for the week equals $17.74 as the employee's regular rate of pay. Now, you might be thinking that the overtime rate is calculated by multiplying the regular rate of pay by 1.5, but that wouldn't be correct. Remember, the employee is already being paid $763 for the regular hours worked for the week. That counts as the 1 of 1.5. Therefore, we multiply the regular rate of pay by the remaining half, which equals $8.87 as the overtime premium pay rate. So, the employee's regular earnings are $763. For the 3 hours of overtime, the employee receives an additional overtime premium of $8.87 per hour, which equals $26.61. Their total compensation for the week is $789.61. But let's be honest, manually calculating the regular rate of pay for hundreds of employees is not something you want to be stuck doing in the office all night. That's where Datatech software can help. Our payroll software automatically does those calculations for you, along with many other payroll calculations common to ag employees. Visit datatechag.com to request your free consultation and see how Datatech software can lighten your workload.